Hawaiian Paradise Park studio tour at the Johnsons this weekend. My husband Scott and I are ready. Palm sheath baskets, fun to make. Mobiles, wall sculpture, painted dye on silk, clay silk leaves, hand-formed metal, jewelry, some scarves, ponchos, old wraps, clay. I like making a lot of different things with my hands. Ooh, yummy scarves. Here's my husband's work. He does watercolor backgrounds, tribal designs. Yummy colors. In the kitchen, you can paint on a silk scarf yourself. Nice work. Sunspots Mobile, a triple. Let's go to the other side of the room. Yeah. I work also with soft pastel, watercolor, plenty of goodies on the wall. This wall sculpture is called Cascading Bamboo Leaves, liquid dye on silk. And I also like still life, soft pastel.